Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna wipe. I got 2 brand new clean rags and basically just wipe it off. Okay? And I'm wiping it pretty hard, you know, to make sure I get rid of it. This stuff dries pretty fast. So, a lot faster than I thought it would. Greens came out good, I can tell already. See a spot. Oh shoot, I missed a spot. I can see it. I'll have to hit that again. All right, that rag's totally soaked. It's going to a new rag. Okay. This stuff, it's very tacky because it dried fast. Maybe next time I'll do 5 minutes to wipe it. I don't know, we'll see. Just keep wiping it until it all comes off. As much as I can. Make it as light as possible. Because the second coat is going to be dark. You want to make sure you get down all those grooves individually. All the finger notches. Get inside of those. Yeah, you know what? Ebony, way too dark. When you wipe it, it looks gray. Jacobine, the color, it almost looks perfect. I'm looking at the other wheel, it looks almost perfect. I'm not sure if I even have to hit it again. Tell you, some of the grains came out really good. There's a couple of spots I missed that I could hit again, and I think I will. So again, some close-ups here. Comparison-wise to the original wheel. Low battery. Comparison-wise to the original wheel, you gotta look to the better sides of it. Not bad. So let me grain it a couple more spots. I end up putting all my sampling away. I gotta get out. couple spots I don't like how the grain is, so that's one of them right there. Where they're just gaps. And on top here, it seems like could be some more. But that looks good. All right, so we get, I put my jacket bean away too. Open it up. So I guess I'm wrapped. So this is good, right? Nice and wiped off. It's gonna take 2 days of drying time. 75 degrees if you can, temperature. And after that, I'll evaluate it. If I want to put another coat, I will. Otherwise, I might just go straight to the gloss. So that's it. Bye.